The greatest things that we can personally release are fear, separation, and lack. As we release these things from our consciousness, the entire world will rise up a little higher.
I've been releasing ideas about parenthood. My son went to college this year and he was the youngest. So parenting completely changes now. And I've been releasing ideas about what I thought it looked like and what it does look like.
Release self-doubt and embrace a greater love.
Let us release any and everything that limits the fullness of the divinity that we are. If it is not rooted in love, let it go.
Any belief in separation from our true essence, from our divine awareness, God, self, Christ consciousness, whatever name we give to it.
Lay it on the altar of your heart and let go and allow God to unfold good.
And we can also ask, is this something I need to be in relationship with in a different way? It's a good insight to help us recognize when we need to release something.
We are releasing all the old worn-out stories. We're letting go of anything that grows between our heart, ourselves, and the world.
The thinking that you are not enough, not smart enough, not strong enough, not rich enough, not famous enough, not blank enough. Because the truth of who you are is enough.
I release fear and I release doubt.
Fear creates resistance, and resistance creates a vibrational energy that holds us stuck in status quo. Yes, it is time to let that go.
When I stand in the truth of my oneness, I bravely release my imaginary cloak of fear and uncertainty. I let go of my limitations with the ease that a candle uses to dispel the darkness.
A time of reflection offers us an opportunity to step out of the ordinary, normal, habitual ways that we have been living our lives so that we can find something different, something new.
A time of reflection gives us an opportunity to pause and listen to our inner guidance.
Creating our lives through our way of thinking, feeling, and doing by focusing on the good.
I touch the space where I can more fully know the truth about creation and Creator.
When we take time for inner reflection, mixed with a healthy dose of self-compassion, we can become conscious of any limiting beliefs that have been blocking our growth and evolution.
I have discovered resentments I didn't know that I was holding on to, and insights that would have never come to me if I hadn't taken time to just turn off the busy hustle bustle of the day.
When we get quiet enough, dropping beneath the noise of the mind and the universe, we access both a deep and ancient wisdom.
It also helps make us more self-aware and more in tune with the divine rhythm and flow of life.
It's a time that allows us to connect with Source and reminds us of the truth of who and what we are. Divinity in skin.
We are rising up into a new reality, a new way to connect with each other, heart to heart.
Purity.
Oneness with all of creation.
Curiosity.
The kingdom of God.
A culture of peace.
Spiritual harmony.
Expanded consciousness.
Greater expression of who we've come here to be.
Higher awareness of our interconnectedness.
Divine potential.
Our authentic selves.
I rise up to magnificence.
Magnificence!
The birth of a new humanity.
I am rising into possibility.
Possibility.
We are rising up to the transmutation of the old and the transformation of the new.
Courage.
Self-empowerment.
Rise up as God.
The joy of community. The joy of unity.